Welcome back to the Rider Pro, riders and bike enthusiasts. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated bikes of the year, the 2026 Harley Davidson Crossbones. It's a bold revival of a legend, blending classic bobber styling with modern performance enhancements. Let's dive in. Heritage and design inspiration. This bike isn't just any new model. It's the return of a name that carries weight. The original Crossbones bobber from Harley Davidson was a stripped-back, retro-inspired machine that captured post-war custom culture. On the 2026 version, you'll see cues like bobbed fenders, solo seat silhouette, minimal chrome, and dark finishes, styling that evokes that stripped raw attitude. It's a nod to custom bike roots while giving you factory fit and finish key, features and technology. Upgrades. Underneath the vintage exterior, Harley has dropped in modern tech. While full specs for this exact model are still emerging, we know that their 2026 cruiser lineup features their big Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain, full LED lighting, ride modes, and the latest rider safety enhancements like cornering ABS, traction control, and tire pressure monitoring. For example, the 2026 Fat Boy uses the Milwaukee-Eight 117 and advanced electronics as standard, so we expect the Crossbones to share many of those tech upgrades. Performance expectations. Now, on to what really matters, how it runs. Historically, the Crossbones line offered a comfortable, strong torque cruiser vibe, though with more raw character than high-revving sport. With Harley's new 117 engine in the 2026 cruiser, delivering around 106 Nm of torque and 103 HP and advanced suspension. You can expect the Crossbones to pack a punch while remaining smooth and planted. That means strong mid-range thrust, relaxed highway cruising, and enough attitude for city rides too. Comfort, handling, and ergonomics. In terms of ergonomics, the Crossbones bobber roots mean a solo seat, wide bars, and a slightly lower stance, but modern bikes also balance comfort and control. The 2026 models are equipped with hidden rear shocks, upgraded forks, and improved braking systems. That means the Crossbones should feel agile for a cruiser, but still grounded and confident when you lean in. Riders will appreciate the mix of old-school look and new-school ride quality. Styling, details, and customization potential. The styling is where the Crossbones really shines. Expect dark-themed finishes, matte black, dark steel tones, minimalist fenders, solo seats, exposed twin pipes, machined wheels, or cast rims with a vintage twist. Plus, one of Harley's strengths is the aftermarket ecosystem, so you'll be able to personalize your Crossbones with custom seats, exhausts, handlebars, and trims. If you like building a unique ride, this model gives you a great base, market positioning, and who it's for. Let's talk about who this bike is for. If you're someone who loves Harley Davidson's heritage and bobber style, but also want modern performance,